Happy morning students, a warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine at home. Students, today we are going to write our English revision. Are you all ready for the class, children? Now let us start writing. Take your revision note, take a fresh new page and start writing. Write with a good handwriting, sharpen your pencil and start writing. Okay students? First Roman letter, find the correct answer. A. Synonyms. Synonyms means meanings. Number 1. Bright, shining. Shining na பிரகாசமா இருக்கிறது. Second, begins, starts. Starts na ஆரம்பிக்கிறது, ஆரம்பம். Third one, similar, alike. Alike means what ma ஒரே மாதிரியா இருக்கிறது. Fourth, perfect, completely good. முற்றிலும் நல்லது. Okay students? After finishing the A, draw a line and start writing the B. Antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. First one, now, then. இப்போது, அப்போது. Second, sit, stand. உட்காரது, நிக்கிறது. Third, come, go. Come, வா, போ. Fourth, here, there. இங்கே, அங்கே. Next, after finishing the B, you have to draw a line and start writing the C. Singular, plural. Number 1, cap, caps. Number 2, shirt, shirts. Number 3, tree, trees. Number 4, child, children. After writing the C, you have to draw a line and start writing the D. Present tense, past tense. Present tense na என்னதுமா இப்போ நடக்கிறது, past tense na நடந்து முடிஞ்சது. Number 1, sit, sat. Sit, sat. Number 2, call, called. Call, called. Number 3, swing, swang. Swing, swang. Number 4, wear, wore. Wear, wore. Draw a line after finishing the D. Okay students? Second Roman letter, frame the sentence. Frame the sentence. First, spread. Spread na பரப்பறது. Rat and flies spread disease. Rat and flies spread disease. Second, bright. Bright na பிரகாசமா இருக்கிறது. Yellow is a bright color. Bright. Yellow is a bright color. After finishing the second Roman letter, you have to draw a line using a pencil and scale. Okay students? Write the third Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs from the brackets. The verbs will be given inside the brackets. We are going to choose the correct one and write in the blank space. First one, the lady dash two children. The lady. In the bracket, the verbs given here are has, have. The correct answer is has. Because the subject is singular, we have to choose has as the correct answer. The lady has two children. Second, the teachers dash in a conference. The bracket, the verbs given is are. The correct answer is are, because the subject is plural. The teachers. The subject is in plural. The correct answer is are. The teachers are in a conference. Third one, the boys dash new bags. The options here are has, have. The correct answer is have. As the subject is in plural, the correct answer is have. The boys have new bags. Fourth one. Her clothes dash dirty. The options are were, was. Here the subject is in plural. So the correct answer is were. Her clothes were dirty. Fifth one. Those girls dash long hair. The options here are have, has. Has the subject is in plural. We have to choose have as the correct answer. Those girls have long hair. After finishing the third room letter, draw a line using a pencil and scale. Fourth room letter, quote from memory. Quote from memory. Heading of the poem is Welcoming Spring. Welcoming Spring. Spring season varavirkadu. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from egg in the nest, the birds to join the feast. Students, what is the meaning of the lines, ma? These four lines. Yes. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. கொகையை விட்டும் ஹோலை விட்டும் யாரெல்லாம் வந்தது? ராபிட்டும் ஃபோல்னா என்னமா எங் ஹார்ஸ் அதுவும் வெளியே வந்தது. Hatch from egg in the nest, the birds to join the feast. முட்டையிலிருந்து அப்பதான் வெளியே வந்த பேர்ட்ஸும் என்ன பண்ணுச்சு? வெளியே வந்து ஸ்ப்ரிங் சீசனை வெல்கம் பண்ணுறதுக்காக எல்லாம் ஒன்றா ஜாயின் ஆயிடுச்சு. யாரெல்லாம் இப்போ ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்கா ஃபெஸ்ட்டை கொண்டாடுறதுக்கு? rabbit, foal and the birds. Okay students, let me once again read out the poem. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from egg in the nest, the birds to join the feast. After writing the poem, you have to draw a line using a pencil and scale. Fifth room letter, question and answer. Question and answer. First one, what did they cut? What did they cut? Here they refers to Varun and his mother. Okay students, Varunum அவங்க மம்மியும் என்ன கட் பண்ணாங்க? Answer, they cut watermelon and mango. They cut watermelon and mango. Varunum அவங்க மம்மியும் என்ன கட் பண்ணாங்க? வாட்டர்மெலான் தர்பூசணியும் மேங்கோ மாம்பழத்தையும் கட் பண்ணாங்க. அதுதான் இந்த ஆன்சரோட மீனிங். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஆஃப்டர் ஃபினிஷிங் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் த செகண்ட் ஒன். ஹவு வாஸ் த சன் ஆன் மண்டே? ஹவு வாஸ் த சன் ஆன் மண்டே? சன் மண்டே அன்னைக்கு எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? ஆன்சர், த சன் வாஸ் bright and sunny. The sun was bright and sunny. எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? சன்னு பிரகாசமாகவும் ஹாட்டாகவும் இருந்துச்சு. Okay students, let me once again read it out. How was the sun on Monday? Answer, the sun was bright and sunny. After finishing the second one, draw the line and start writing the third one. Where did they plan to go? Where did they plan to go? Again they வந்து யாரை ரெஃபர் பண்ணுதுங்க? வருணையும் அவங்க மம்மியும் ரெஃபர் பண்ணுது. Answer, they plan to go for a picnic. They plan to go for a picnic. வருணும் அவங்க அம்மாவும் எங்கே போகிறதுக்கு பிளான் பண்ணாங்க? Answer is, அவங்க ஒரு பிக்னிக் போகிறதுக்கு பிளான் பண்ணாங்க. அதுதான் இதோட மீனிங். Where did they plan to go? They plan to go for a picnic. Draw a line After writing the third one, start writing the fourth one. What did Nalan get from his parents? What did Nalan get from his parents? நலனுக்கு உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட இருந்து என்ன கிடைச்சிச்சு? Answer is Nalan got a red raincoat from his parents. Nalan got a red raincoat from his parents. நலனுக்கு அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் என்ன வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க? ஒரு red raincoat. That is the meaning of the answer. What did Nalan get from his parents? Nalan got a red raincoat from his parents. Draw a line. Then start writing the fifth one. Which cannot be packed with the foil? Which cannot be packed with the foil? Foil வச்சு எதை pack பண்ண முடியாது? Answer. Milk and oil cannot be packed with the foil. Foil வந்து ஒரு thin metal sheet மாதிரி ஒரு paper. அதால என்ன பேக் பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் இஸ் மில்க்கும் ஆயிலும். பாலையும் எண்ணெயும் நம்ம ஃபாயிலை வச்சு பேக் பண்ண முடியாது. Which cannot be packed with the foil? Answer. Milk and oil cannot be packed with the foil. After finishing the fifth one, draw a line. Then write the parent sign. Get the sign from your parents. Okay, students, while writing, spell the word and write with a good, neat handwriting. Meet you all in the next class, ma. Thank you, students.